This is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show how you can clear app cache and data on this device. So first of all, you will need to open settings. From here, find and enter the apps category. Next, go for the manage apps option. In here, find and tap at the app that you would like to clear data for. So let's say I'll go with, calendar app. And next, tap at the clear data option over here. Choose whether you would like to clear cache only or all user/app data that it stores. So by tapping at cache, it obviously clears the cache, and by tapping at the all data, it just removes all user data that is stored at your phone's memory. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.